Hello, friends. Welcome to our world again. This knowledge world will have so many videos for you, which would help you in different manners. Today, we are going to cover very important topic of the U.S. IT recruitment. In U.S. job market, when you are working as recruiter or bench sales or any another title you are having, I think you should know these three terms because these are going to be a juice for your work, and it would be like you'll be using it on the daily basis. So let's have a look on that. I may not give you a very colorful presentation, but I would try to give you something fruitful here. And I will not go in too much deep as well for now because this is very basic video for you. At least you can understand, then we can go ahead accordingly. So these are this topic is tax terms. What are the tax terms? If person is working in US on a contract, full time, or any kind of role, so he needs to decide which kind of tax terms he needs to have, and accordingly his salary or amount going to be paid and processed. So we are going to have mainly three types of tax terms. One is W2, corp to corp, and 1099. What is W2? W2 is which stands for the wage and tax statement, is a tax form given by the employers to employees in the month of January every year. This document contains the details related to income earned and taxes payable by an employee. Now, to be classified under this category, you must satisfy certain conditions. So, let me explain it. When a candidate is working under any company directly, who is which company is paying salary to that person, so that person is going to be having a W2 title. Like this candidate is RW2. Let's say one .NET developer is there and we are paying the salary to that candidate directly. So that candidate is on RW2. Either he is working for any client in US, but like we are paying salaries. So this is W2. I'm just repeating. One of candidate is working at any client, like let's say Bank of America. He's working on a project through us and we are paying him the salary, so he is RW2. He doesn't have anything to do with the client for the amounts and salaries. It would be working, everything would be working through us. For in terms of the money, we'll be paying him accordingly, whatever is the rate we have decided and all. And this is called W2 term in US IT staffing. Next is Corp to Corp. What is Corp to Corp? Corp to Corp is one of the most used tax terms in the US, which is most preferable tax by most of the consultants as well. What it is, let's say, as I gave you example previously, .NET developer working at Bank of America through us, and he's RW2. So let's say Bank of America was not direct client to us. We submitted our this candidate to any staffing firm which is having Bank of America direct client. So that firm and we are doing corp to corp business together. So that firm will give us money and we'll give to the candidate. But this term, firm to firm, is going to be called corp to corp. Here, again, candidate is not doing anything in terms of the payments. Mean like he is talking to us only, we are paying him, we are taking care of his taxes as well as we were doing in the W2 or term as well. Like in W2 we were paying the tax, here also we are paying the tax, but the firm which is having corp to corp relation with us, we have given them his resume on corp to corp basis rate, and then they are submitting to the client. Next term is 1099. 1099 is one of the rarely used tax term in the US job market, as no one prefers to work on 1099. These are the people mainly having their own firms. They pay their own taxes. They are not going through any firm like in W2. We were paying the taxes for the candidates as he is working on our payroll. In cop to cop model, the next firm is nothing to do with his taxes. We are the employer of that candidate, we are paying the taxes in cop to cop model as well. In 1099, none of the staffing firm is paying his taxes. He is going to pay his taxes because he is having his own corporation and he is using that. So these are the main terms In case if you feel like something is more fruitful we can add in that, you can always comment. I'll try to improve that according to your benefit, like or your choices and all. And if you feel like you need to have more detailed video on that, so I'll make that too. Just comment, and accordingly I'll prepare that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Knowledge World for more detailed videos, and I would try to help you out as soon as I can do. I can do the postings and all, and as much as I can help you. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned.